Good morning, everyone. It is May the 7th, okay? It's a Saturday, all right? So, I've already completed one order, and that order really just gave me a headache, all right, y'all? I done drove to the wrong food line, had to go and drive to another food line, get to that food line, and the customer was tripping. I'm gonna have to give y'all a story time on that a little later on within the video. All right, I googled a place, a bagel place, because I was craving a bagel, and this is what I found: Manhattan Bagel. Here are some of the options that they have. I keep it simple. I get it everything bagel with grape jelly and cream cheese. They do have a cooler over there with cream cheeses that they make on their own, and some other little stuff over there. They got chips, muffins, and all that. And they also have doggy treats for the four-legged babies. Make sure y'all check them out. Okay, so my goal today is $200. It's now $5:36. I don't know if I'm gonna hit that $200 mark, but I'm gonna try to. I think I'm gonna stay out until 7. I started today about 8 o'clock, and y'all, I got story time when I get home, because I gotta tell y'all about some stuff that happened today while I was in Instacart. Okay, but yeah, today's been a good day. I can't even complain about today. But I'm gonna get up off of here, and I'm gonna check back in with y'all a little later on. Peace out. So this is the tea that I was telling y'all about. Now listen, I was at Food Line doing a 2 delivery order. One of the customers ordered fruit. They didn't have none of the fruit, not even a replacement fruit that this customer ordered. So I had to go ahead and contact her via text message and letting her know. I also sent her pictures of what the store did have, and she just was not happy with that. So she was just like, cancel my whole order. She was going to file a complaint against the store. She just wasn't having it. I get on the phone with Instacart support, like, look, customer want to cancel. And the lady was like, okay. So they canceled the order. I still received full pay for this delivery, and that was that. My thing is, y'all, I wish customers understood that there is a shortage on food, and there's not a guarantee that the store will have what you want. Y'all, so as I was already shopping this 2 delivery order, I get a little ding on my phone talking about some add-on for $14.69 for the dish of 7.5 miles. Oh, baby, you can get that right on up out of here. And y'all, it literally stayed on the phone for like a whole minute. Baby, I'm trying to shop and go. Dropped that order off. Got another order. Let's see what they got. Okay, y'all. Somehow I missed these 3 Diet Cokes. Y'all, it's like 5 at night, and I was just tired. But I made it through. And this is me, y'all. I made it home. Okay, what time is it, girl? What time? Oh, wait a minute now. Wait a minute. Okay, it's 9:02, y'all. Let's keep in mind, I did stop at Dollar General to get some stuff. And I also stopped at King Crab and got me a pound of crawfish for that good old $15, y'all. And they were big and good. This is that King Crab sauce, hot, only corn or potatoes. Peace. All right, so I made $198.41 today. I did 10 orders. I am proud of me. I am proud of me. All right, y'all, good morning. I am on my way to my first store of the day. It's a one shop, $18, 34 units. It's not a lot of stuff. And the items are light. So let's see, 7:52. Should arrive at the store about 8:10 or something. Yeah, I gotta go put some oil in my car. Okay, take care of your car. Take care of your car. But I'm gonna check back in with y'all a little bit later on. And let me go and bust this order down real quick. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace. But I had to go put some oil in my car. Make sure y'all take care of your cars, okay? Take care of your cars. So I'm on my way to my second order. It's $20 at Aldi's. 2 deliveries in one batch. I took it because at this point in time it was nothing else really coming through. But once I'm done, I'm gonna check in with y'all later. Peace out. I'm currently at Costco's and I got a batch. It's 2 deliveries. 25, 7 miles. Then we got 14 items. So I'm gonna check back in I'm gonna check back in with y'all a little later. Let's go. Let's this out real quick. Goodbye. Alrighty, people. I just came inside of Costco for the part of my life to get this little bit of stuff. And I'm about to go drop this off. And probably come back for another time of my life. As you can see, Saturday I made $205.44. I was only out for 7 hours. And then on Sunday, I only made $154.44 because I was just tired and moving slow, making my grand total for the weekend $359.88. Now, my weekly earnings was $869.43. I was out a total of 42 hours. So happy Mother's Day. My baby went to the beach with his father, and as you can see, he is back. Let's turn up.